I literally love these so much. These are the Oxygen Eye Masks by VIIcode. I've been using these for a while now, and I really like that I can use them all night long or use them for an extended period during the day. These are gonna help with puffy eyes, tired eyes, dark circles, and to help keep your under eye hydrated. I love that. And these are really cool because they're in a patch that stays on all night or for up to 8 hours. VIIcode Oxygen Eye Mask provides everything your eye skin needs to be healthy. It has all the essential vitamins, antioxidants, proteins, botanicals, peptides, and essential fatty acids. Say goodbye to tired eyes. These are so soothing, and I love that the cooling gel conforms to the shape under my eye, covering the entire area in soothing botanical extracts. This is perfect for targeting specific issues. Check out the O2M Oxygen Eye Mask, link in the description. These are amazing. I just cooked dinner and I've had these on for like over 4 hours. I love these so much because it keeps my eyes hydrated throughout the entire day. Amazing. And they stay on for so long. Like the gel inside is so good that it stays on all day, no matter what I'm doing. These have been on over 6 hours. They stayed on so well, and they're really hydrating. And oftentimes I wear these to sleep. Today I wore them all day as I was at home today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have you tried this product before? Have you tried similar products? Peace.